Oh my god, happy December 1st. Vlogmas day 1. Hopefully I can keep it up and like make the whole compilation day 1 through like day 25 of this. So as y'all seen my Christmas decorations right now, I'm just doing some work. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for these days, but it'll probably just be me working and like teaching, or maybe like making TikToks. I don't even know, but yeah, enjoy. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 2. It is December, I believe 2nd now. Yeah, December 2nd. I am prepping to teach. I teach in about an hour, and yeah, right now I'm just doing my daily organizer stuff, just like writing it down, what to do today. I got my notes down here. There's just some addresses I don't want to show that I put from like my Secret Santa stuff. Yeah, so this is basically my whole setup. Let me show you guys. So this is the iPad with the stuff, and then my laptop. Then this is like my little finger down here, and then here's my little light tripod. And this is actually what I'm using for my GoPro tripod. I might get a GoPro tripod soon, but for now, you know, this works because it's like square, so I don't really need a tripod right now. I can just use this, and plus I have this little microphone so you guys can hear me better. Go with me throughout my day, right? If y'all want to see me edit, I actually can show you guys how I edit. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys here. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so I actually started editing yesterday. So here's my little editing folder right here. All my photo and video. For photos, I normally use Lightroom right here, and then videos I do VLLO and iMovie. Between those two, thumbnails I do Fonto. So there's this. So yeah, I've already started editing. I use that sneak peek. Okay. So, oh, why did it keep there? Yeah. So yeah.
Play All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey.